So for detail work, I like to work out of the smaller bucket, and I don't need anything fancy, just a chip brush, and I'm just going to start by giving myself a fair amount, because when I come back through with a roller, I don't want to be pushing product all the way over the edge. So I want to get a ways. It also makes it a little easier for me to get right into that flashing without dripping over, or that drip edge without dripping over. This is actually some of my favorite work to do with Ecodur because I love the way it just flows so nicely with the chip brush. And it's true you are up against the spotlight, but once you kind of learn how to time that out and what you can get done within that time, it's not as restrictive as it seems at first.